We'll learn how to make daily English question and answer with why and when. Why are you late?
I'm sorry, I overslept.
Why are you late?
There was a lot of traffic.
Why are you late?
I had an unexpected meeting.
Why are you so tired?
I didn't get much sleep last night.
Why are you so tired?
I had a very busy day.
Why are you so tired?
I have been feeling under the weather lately.
Why are you smiling?
I just had the best news.
Why are you smiling?
I am thinking about something happy.
Why are you smiling?
I just saw a funny video.
Why are you struggling with this appointment?
I'm not sure I understand the instruction.
Why are you struggling with this appointment?
I don't have enough information.
Why are you struggling with this appointment?
I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed.
Why don't you want to go out tonight?
I am feeling a bit under the weather.
Why don't you want to go out tonight?
I have a lot of work to do.
Why don't you want to go out tonight?
I am just not in the mood.
Why did you say that?
I didn't mean to offend you.
Why did you say that?
I was just trying to be honest.
Why did you say that?
I was joking.
When are you leaving for work? I am leaving for work at 8 a.m. When are you leaving for work?
I am leaving in about 15 minutes.
When are you leaving for work?
I'm not sure yet. I still have a few things to finish.
When does the movie start?
The movie starts at 7:30 p.m.
When does the movie start?
It stands in about 10 minutes.
When does the movie start?
I am not sure. I didn't check the schedule.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 5th.
When is your birthday?
It's next month.
When is your birthday?
I am not sure. I don't really celebrate it.
When is the deadline for this project?
The deadline is next Friday.
When is the deadline for this project?
It's due at the end of the week.
When is the deadline for this project?
I'm not sure. I need to check the syllabus.
When is the next meeting?
The next meeting is on Tuesday at 2 p.m.
When is the next meeting?
It's tomorrow afternoon.
When is the next meeting?
I don't think there's a meeting scheduled.
When is the exam?
The exam is on Thursday.
When is the exam?
It's next week.
When is the exam?
I haven't received the schedule yet.
When are you going? On vacation?
I am going on vacation next week.
When are you going? On vacation?
We are leaving for the beach on Saturday.
When are you going? On vacation?
I haven't made any plan yet.
When are you going? To visit?
I am going to visit next weekend.
When are you going? To visit?
I'll try to come by later today.
When are you going? To visit?
I'm not sure when I'll be able to make it.
When did you get home?
I got home about an hour ago.
When did you get home?
I got home late last night.
When did you get home? I don't remember exactly.